Lucky, author and coach here on Maui, inviting you to my Quiet Your Mind Chatter workshop, President's Day weekend, which is February 2019, on Maui's sunny South Shore. Imagine your dream life. Visualize your dream home and your dream location. You are surrounded by the people you love the most. Your every need and desire has been met. Do you feel the pleasure? Now, here comes the wrecking ball in the form of illness or financial ruin or natural disaster, and it obliterates everything. Do you feel the pain? Do you wish you could go back to that moment when you had everything perfect, except this time, stay there in that perfect state of bliss? Or do you wish to be okay with whatever's happening? Pleasure, pain, it's all good. In my workshop, I'll talk to you about mind chatter. The voices inside our heads that try to convince us that we're only okay when we're experiencing pleasure and avoiding pain. I'll offer guidance on how to quiet the committee of monkeys upstairs that keep us worried about everything, every waking moment, and sometimes wake us up in the middle of the night as if we don't worry enough during daylight hours. In my workshop, you can receive peace in your head so that you can enjoy the blessings that life has so richly provided. If you made a list of all of your blessings, it would stretch from here to Lanai. But are you happy? Do you enjoy each day? Or are you just getting through it and wishing that somehow, someday, things will magically get better? Well, sweetheart, this is your chance at better. Take a leap. Join me here on Maui, President's Day weekend 2019. Do you want to learn how to be present in the moment and not worry? I'll show you how. We're going to have some fun and be transformed. Aloha.